Hello, everybody. Welcome back to BBB Sharing. This is Joshua, and today I have three people. We have Olga actually here. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Hello. And then we actually have Maria and Nancy with CNV Cleaning.
Yes, CNV Cleaning Services.
Cleaning Services. How are you guys today?
We're fine, a little bit nervous. This is our first time doing this.
Really? You've done no podcast before?
I have not done any podcast before, but I hear while I'm on traffic and also see them on YouTube and stuff. But
Good. Well, there's a first time for everything. So just tell me a little bit about yourself and what you guys do.
okay, well, CNV Cleaning Services is a company founded by Nancy. We're cousins. We are from El Salvador. She moved here around...
Last 14 years.
Yes, almost 15
Okay.
in September, I think,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Wow.
And then she started working hard to bring the family over. El Salvador was very difficult back then. Like, it was filled with not so good people, and it was very, very hard to live there. So she decided to move to the United States, looking for something better for her, for her family. And she started working in a company. Then she got tired of it. Like, she tried to to get better, and she decided to start cleaning people's houses. So she founded CNB Cleaning back in 2021,
Okay.
and she started by herself with her husband, and then started growing from there. Like, now she does commercial services. She cleans a lot of different companies, like beauty companies. We know one big electric car company. So we've been growing a lot, and we're trying to help like Latin families also grow with us in the company.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, I think when people start a company, it's either like I just need to do this by myself, or I can do this better. Like, it's one of the two.
Yes, of course.
I think sometimes it's both.
It could be, yeah,
You can
right?
do it by yourself and you can do it better. Was that your case, Nancy?
Yeah.
So, because I know you said you guys are cousins. Was this something that you guys started together, or did you?
No, not really, Just saying. I'm actually an electrical engineer, so I know nothing about cleaning. I don't even do it by myself. But then she is something that she thought that she might be able to have the time to enjoy the family and also have a larger income. So that's why she started like a few years ago, I will say, maybe 10 years ago, you started cleaning
Yes.
by yourself.
10 years.
Really?
Yeah, before she started the company. Like,
Yes.
she did it like another income besides her day job.
Mm-hmm. Who else? Is there anyone else in the family that works for CMV?
Her husband,
Mhm.
her son, and sometimes her daughter, but she's studying college, so when she
got
has
a
the
little
time.
busy.
Yeah,
Yeah. This is a full family business.
It
It's
is.
awesome.
Yes.
I remember because we have a family business. We do cupcakes. So it's really interesting going to like seeing the dynamic between like, hiring employees, which you always have to do, but actually having that family relationship in it, there's a bigger connection with the employees that you work with because you're
Yes.
able to see, you're just able to get involved with a day-to-day, but also you can kind of hear like what's going on outside of it.
Yes, I think it has like both sides of it. Sometimes it can be really tricky because emotions, and it is easier, to be mad at someone that you already know and that you have a relationship with, other than if you have an employee that you have to control yourself and be thinking more like, what are they gonna think about me? And then it is your family, You have your husband, you have your daughter, you have your son. And then we're cousins, but we grew up like so next to each other. She used to live with me and my mom for a few years. Then she went back and forth at her home. So she's more like a sister to me.
Yeah.
And then when I get mad, it's like I get really mad with her.
Get heated.
Yeah.
You hear that for a couple days.
No, it doesn't even last a day or two, maybe a few hours, and then she's going like she's so sweet, and she never gets mad. Like she's so sweet, really, and she's about to cry right now. She's the emotion
no.
of the partnership.
It's good. It's a strong bond. That's good to have, especially in a business. You need to have that.
Yes, because in a business you need someone that look for you and also up to you. Like I have so much admiration for her and what she has done with her life altogether, not just the company, like she as a person, as a woman, as a mother. And I think she's so dedicated to it, and that I love working with her.
Awesome.
Yeah, and it's a good example for other women to follow.
Yes, she is. I think she's so nice, and she always tries to help others, like not just the family, not just the business, not just the clients, because also it is a main focus of it, but also the employees that she has. Like she cares for them, and she always trying to make everything better for them, to help with the family, and she listens and she's interested. And I think leadership is all about that.
True. When you really care about your employees, the employees feel it, and then they even perform better.
Exactly. When you have a bond with your leadership, I think the business goes better, but also you as a person have so many aspirations that you look forward to grow in the company.
Exactly.
I agree.
And tell us about your customer. Are they happy with your service?
We would love to say yes. But I've known, because I visit with her so many persons, and she takes so much interest in knowing what they're up to. Just they're not just a house to clean; they're people to make a home for. So we have so many clients that has become family, and actually, one lady passed away a few months ago, and Nancy took a really big hit out of it, because when you get to visit a home every single week or every week or every other week, they become your family as well.
Exactly.
You know what they like, you know what food they eat, even what utensils you use at the kitchen. So they become part of you. And I think that is the main focus that Nancy takes on all of the visits, that it is not just a job to do, but a home to make. And that is so important when you have a service to offer. It's not just the cleaning part of it, but to make sure that the focus is a family that is going to enjoy that space.
Exactly, and that you really care for them. Before we start the podcast, you were commenting on a note. Can you read it?
Yes, of course.
From one of their customers.
Nancy, actually, just a few minutes ago when we were driving here, she got a text, and I'm going to read it to you. As always, Nancy, thank you for cleaning my home. After a long day of running around, I truly appreciate. Have a good evening, and please pass on my gratitude to your workers. This lady name is Mary. So I think what you can read about that is that she's so happy. She's so happy that we get to do this job, not just Nancy, but all the employees, because they take care of things, and she gets to get a home clean and a more safer space for her to enjoy and relax and have a good night after a long day of work. And that is the main focus of C&B Cleaning Services, not just to have a clean house, but just the feeling of it and what makes you happier and enjoy your life more.
Those messages like that mean the world when you're done. Like, there's no feeling out. You're just like, wow. That makes them have a good day. It makes you have a good day.
Of course.
I agree. Well, how can people get in contact with you?
Well, first of all, we have the phone number that is 804-241-9328. And you can text us, you can send us a WhatsApp, but whatever you want to do, you can call us. And we can give you an estimate over the phone, depending on how many rooms you have, a bathroom, or if it's a commercial service. the area of it. But also, we always do a visit first, just to make sure the workload that we're going to have and the time that we're going to spend and all the detailing that you as a customer might want. Because, for example, at my place, I don't like that others clean my kitchen, for example. And that is something that we can take out of the service. Or if you said, okay, this room, we never use it, we don't want it clean, just clean the door. Okay, then we can change the prices of it. And that depends of your needs, truly.
Good. I'm glad you, and malleability. That's, it's good to have. So.
I love how you say that word. You know, English is not my first language, so that
No,
sounds
you're good.
very difficult,
Sometimes
like a tongue twister.
when I try to process things in my head, it just kind of comes out in words and I don't even mean it. But no, I appreciate it. But thank you guys so much for coming in. It was nice to meet you guys. Did you have any last words you wanted to tell the audience?
Yes, we wanted to let you know, like, we're a fully registered business. It is not just Nancy and a few people doing the job. You know, we have insurance. We are a licensed company, and we have everything registered and well processed through the government. We do our IRS and all those stuff. So that's something that can give a peace of mind to some clients. And just to let you know, we are prepared for you, and we have all of the equipment that you want, not just for cleaning home, also commercial spaces. We do the carpet cleaning, glasses, windows also. We have all the equipment for it. And you can get a free estimate every time you need it. So we're here for you if you want your house clean.
And they're also an accredited business for 3 years.
Yes, that is right. Yeah, I remember because we did you guys did a segment on The Breeze, right? You guys,
yes.
I gave you guys the script, so you guys should be looking out for that. Make sure you listen out to The Breeze.
Yes, please.
And everybody else that's listening, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Follow them. BBB Serving Central VA, BBB Sharing, Spotify, everything. And hopefully everybody has a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys.
Thank you.